Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to report videos on a Likee application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register on Likee. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see, in the bottom of the screen, we have everything about your profile. We have your messages. We have the plus button where you can go, of course, and post your videos. We have the Explore and the For You page at the end. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and report videos on the Likee application. So, basically, Likee allows you to report offensive and inappropriate content or block another user within the app. So basically, as most apps do it, Likee also does it, you have that opportunity. You can do this by going to the user's profile and clicking the arrow at the right hand of the corner. So maybe you have to, of course, find the user, click on the arrow, and good. So report abusive behavior or request the removal of the inappropriate content that you saw that is probably inappropriate or offensive to you or somebody else, of course. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you have time, of course, it will be pretty cool if you could go and like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.